Hello, how are you, my lovely students? Welcome to our new math lesson. We are in lesson 1.6. Use the break apart strategy to add. Our objective for today: use the break apart strategy to add 3-digit numbers. Before we start with our new lesson, I would like to ask you some questions. I will give you time to think before giving you the right answers. Question number 1. What is an estimate? I'm sure you still remember what an estimate is. Yes, a number close to an exact number. Question number 2. What are compatible numbers? Think about it. Compatible numbers are numbers that are easy to compute mentally and are close to the real numbers. Question number 3. Why is it a good idea to find an estimate before solving a problem? Do you think it's a good idea to find an estimate before solving a problem? Is it helpful? Yes, it is helpful because it provides a way to check if an answer is reasonable. Now, my students, I want you to bring your books and your pencils. Open your books on page 35. Unlock the problem. There are more zoos in Germany than in any other country. At one time, there were 355 zoos in the United States and 414 zoos in Germany. How many zoos were there in the United States and Germany altogether? When I say altogether, that means I need to add and to find the sum. You can use the break apart strategy to find the sums. Okay, let's add 355 to 414. Step 1, estimate. But I have a question for you. When do you use estimation? Yes, that's great. You estimate when you do not need an exact answer, or you can use estimation to check your answers. Here, 355 was rounded to 400, and 414 was rounded to 400. 400 plus 400 equal 800. Another question for my clever students. How were the numbers for the estimate chosen? Excellent! The numbers were rounded to the nearest hundred. Let's move to step 2. Break apart the addends. Start with the hundreds, then add each place value. The two addends here are 355 and 414. I will break apart 355. But I have a question. How does the break apart strategy break numbers apart? I will help you. It breaks apart the numbers by place value. It breaks the numbers into hundreds, tens, and ones. So now I will break 355 into hundreds, tens, and ones. 355 equal to 300 plus 50 plus 5. 414 equal to 400 plus 10 plus 4. Let's add each place value. Always start with the ones. 5 plus 4 equal 9. 50 plus 10 equals 60. 300 plus 400 equals 700. Step 3. Add the sums. 700 plus 60 plus 9 equal 769. So there were 769 zoos in the United States and Germany altogether. Now let's move to example 2. 467 plus 208. Step 1. Estimate. 467 was rounded to 500. 208 was rounded to 200. 500 plus 200 equal 700. Step 2. Break apart the addends into hundreds, tens, and ones. 467 equal 400 plus 60 plus 7. 208 equal to 200 plus 0 tens plus 8 ones. Now add each place value. 7 plus 8 equal 15. 60 plus 0 equals 60. 400 plus 200 equals 600. Step 3. Add the sums. 600 plus 60 plus 15 equal 675. So 467 plus 208 equal 675. Okay, let's go to page 37. Share and show. Question 3 and 4. Estimate, then use the break apart strategy to find the sum. 142 plus 436. The estimated sum is 600. Let's break apart. Remember, when you break apart and add in 200s, tens, and ones. 142 equal 100 plus 40 plus 2. 436 equal 400 plus 30 plus 6. Now let's add each place value. 6 plus 2 equal 8. 40 plus 30 equal 70. 100 plus 400 equal 500. Yes. 500 plus 70 plus 8 equal 578. Question 4. 459 plus 213. The estimated sum is 650. Let's break apart 459 equal 400 plus 50 plus 9. 213 equal 200 plus 10 plus 3. Add each place value. Let's start with the ones. 90 plus 3 equal 12. 50 plus 10 equals 60. 400 plus 200 equals 600. Add the sums. 600 plus 60 plus 12 equal 672. If you look here, 12 has 2 ones and 1 tens. I have to regroup. I will add 10 to 60, then it will be 70. 672. Now I want you to try to solve this problem. Use the break apart strategy to find 343 plus 259. Pause the video, try to solve this problem, then check your answer. $343 equal 300 plus 40 plus 3. 259 equal 200 plus 50 plus 9. 3 plus 9 equal 12. 40 plus 50 equal 90. 300 plus 200 equal 500. 500 plus 90 plus 12 equals 602. Excellent, great job. Now let's talk about the common errors you may make. You may make errors in the value of a digit when breaking apart addends to add. Example, you find 343 equal 300 plus 4 plus 3. That's wrong. 343 equals 300 plus 40 plus 3 because 4 is tens, not ones. And you may break apart 259 into 200 plus 5 plus 9. It should be 200 plus 50 plus 9. Again, 5 is tens, not ones. You add each place value. 300 plus 200 equal 500. 4 plus 5 equal 9. That's wrong. 3 plus 9 equal 12. 500 plus 9 plus 12 equal 521. So you have to pay attention when you are breaking apart. Now, my clever students, I want you to go to page 37 on your own. Do question 7 and question 8. Pause the video. Try to solve questions 7 and 8. Remember to estimate before finding the sum. Write each addend, break it apart, then add and write down the sum. When you finish, continue playing the video to check your answers. You can do it. It's time to check your answers. Question 7. 435 plus 312. Estimated sum is 750. Remember, possible estimates are given because maybe your estimated sum is different from my estimated sum. Let's break apart. 435 equal 400 plus 30 plus 5. 312 equal 300 plus 10 plus 2. Add each place value. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 30 plus 10 equals 40. 400 plus 300 equals 700. Let's add the sums. 700 plus 40 plus 7 equal 747. Question 8. 163 plus 205. Estimated sum 350. Break apart 163 into hundreds, tens and ones. 163 equal 100 plus 60 plus 3. 205 equal 200 plus 0 tens plus 5 ones. Add each place value. 3 plus 5 equal 8. 60 plus 0 equals 60. 100 plus 200 equal 300. 300 plus 60 plus 8 equal 368. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Bye bye.